do you know? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up enough viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know it's a NEWLINK there and from NEWLINK production. People, so me are telling our people, you see, motorcycle, motorbike, or we want to call it whether yeng, sheng, RR, we want to call it Honda, anything in a bike. Yo, right now, two of me scared of bike people. I'll bicycle, me afraid of. Me no like bike. You understand? Me say people, you would never see me NEWLINK go on a bike. Not even if you post with and take a picture. Me no like bike. You know what I mean? At times when me see them something to even my virgin them all say, yo, we same thing we can go on the bike, can go on pan the cars, in the car, same way. But people, me look at it in a different way. Bike is totally, to me, different, different. You understand? Me I tell the people, it's way different. Well, when we look into this thing on our people, on a serious level, Zine, I have seen where motorbikes has killed so much persons in Jamaica in just a short term period. And you know what the next thing when we look into people, Zine, when I look into it, you know, and these bike now, you have these bike and you try to, you know what I mean, it's like there's no way to protect you. Once, most of the time, you know, when I hear a man crash off a bike people and he live, you know, me I tell you, say, it's like a luck. I know why I really cover this topic and our people, because of an incident that took place in a Jamaica involving two motorcycles and cost the life of 3 men and fried the people. And me I tell you, say, this is why I really go cover this story about motorcycle. It's not the first time I go do this talk about motorcycle people, because in the end people hasn't tell me no like bike. So me just get into this article people and go through. 3 men died after the motorcycles they were traveling on collided head on along the Green Island main road in the parish of Hanover. Reports are that one of the motorcycles reportedly burst into flames following the collision. The 3 have been identified as Dane Wedderburn, unemployed of Cardwell District, Troy Mary of Salt Spring, Green Island, and Rajay Parkins, also of a Green Island address. Reports from the Green Island police are that about 9:40 p.m. on Friday, Wedderburn was driving a motorcycle in an eastern direction along the Green Island main road when Parkins is pillion rider, while Mary was traveling westerly on his motorcycle. Upon reaching the Green Island Bridge, Wedderburn reportedly overtook a motor car and collided with the motorcycle that was driven by Mary. Both drivers sustained head injuries, while Wedderburn became engulfed in flames after the motorcycle exploded. All 3 men were taken to the hospital where the Parkins died while being treated. Wedderburn and Mary were later pronounced dead. The Green Island police are investigating. So you see now people, that with bike me no like. Because look at this now. I'm telling you what we really about bike now. Zine, motorcycle. You have the motorcycle, you know, right? And in the end, you feel like you can't overtake anything, you can't cut through anything because you know it's speedy, it's smaller. So when I see a car, you see you can't go around it. But deep inside, you're not thinking your head says something. Me I come in front, you know what I mean? And this is what happened. Another motorcycle was coming because maybe him looks at people and he must say, yo, he can't beat it. He see it and he can't beat it, but look there. 3 life gone. You know what I mean? In the end, viewers and subscribers, me tell any youth, when I save no money, honestly, you better want to save for not buy one car, but not buy a bike. Me know say car crash and kill whole heap of people too, but I'm telling you, you have a better chance. You understand? Yes, car can crash, truck can crash, any one of them can crash and kill you, but me I tell you, the motorcycle is the most deadliest one. And me no like them. Me I tell you the truth, people. I have family who link me and say, you know, NEWLINK, you know, say, John, I want to buy a bike, if you can't give me a thing. I'm tell them the truth, I say, honestly, I'll if me did have $1 billion me would give for buy a bike. You know what? Unless I want to see you dead. I the truth, people. Oh my girl, oh my precious NEWLINK. You don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of these 3 men who lost their life tragically on Friday. You understand, as one is from the St. James address and 2 is from the Westmoreland address people. And you know what I mean? May their soul rest in peace. And I just hope the youth then can learn. We don't say people not going to stop ride bike. It not going to stop. But I just hope the youth then can learn and even try cut down the speed of the bike. Try You know what I mean? Try ride with more precaution, ride with the helmet and all of the necessary gears. Because I know they're not going to stop, but just do the right thing and try, you know, maybe your life can be saved. You know, just, you know what I mean, and service in the bike and check them regular and everything. Because your people, you know, nice. You know, just imagine how this family feel right now, lose 3 of them family member. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. You don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, man. And we say attack, and I just peace in the people and love and respect. And be great and be good people because, yo, oh my world, I'm out.